Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use split screen in Oneplus 8 smartphone. Before we start the video, you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So first of all, you need to open the supported apps. So in default, I know the YouTube and Chrome are supported for split screen. So first of all, I open the YouTube. You can see. So after opening, you need to swipe up with the three fingers. You can see, swipe up with three fingers in order to open the split screen. Now we need to use the second app. So I will open the Chrome. And you can see I will open the Chrome. Then you can use YouTube also. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.